This is Grade 3, Module 1, Lesson 13, and the objective in this module is to interpret the quotient as the number of groups or the number of objects in each group using units of 3. So we're going to look at homework problem number 2, and it says, Miss Gillette's pet fish are shown below. She keeps 3 fish in each tank. Circle to show how many fish tanks she has. Then skip count to find the total number of fish. Draw and label a tape diagram to represent your problem. Okay, so the first part we're going to do is we're going to circle to show how many fish in each tank. So she keeps 3 fish in each tank. So we're going to make this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 tanks there. Okay. So let's go ahead and draw and label a tape diagram. Actually, before that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the skip counting part here. So we can do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So there's 15 fish. So that's just the skip counting by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. All right, now let's draw a tape diagram. So here's the tape diagram here. And I know that I had 3 fish in each tank. There was a picture of all the fish. I knew there's 15 fish total. So how many tanks do we need? So the division problem would be 15 fish divided by 3 fish for each tank gives you how many tanks? And the answer is 5. So Miss Gillette has 5 fish tanks. Okay? We're going to look at homework problem number 4, and it says a teacher has 24 pencils. They are divided equally among 3 students. How many pencils does each student get? Okay, so I'm going to do a tape diagram for this again. This whole thing represents 24 pencils. And I'm going to just pretend those are even. Those are going to be 3 students. And so we want to know how many pencils would one student have, okay? So the division problem for this is 24 divided by 3 is how many, okay? Again, if we can write it this way, 3 times some number is 24. And if the student needs it, we can go ahead and I always like to use a picture so if they can just start putting their dots into 24. Okay, and my target sentence, I should have wrote that first, but it says each student gets blank pencils. If they did the dots in the tape diagram, if they did 3 times blank equals 24, they should still get the same answer of 8. So each student gets 8 pencils.